Hello everyone. Today I am showing how to open an Indian bank account opening in tablet mode. First log in the portal and go to enrollment option and select the open SB account option. Now it's asking the Aadhaar number, then enter the Aadhaar number. Select the language and read the all authentication message and select the checkbox and click on Do eKYC. After entering the personal details, now go to other details entry. Now it's asking mother name and mobile number and some other details. Just enter the details and proceed. Just check the all entry details and select the other details option and entry that all details. After final submission, it will take some time and it generates the account reference number and details will showing on the screen and shows print option. Just click on print option and reprint the receipt. It's complete process of the account opening. Just like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.